find you inedible.
Then we are calling this off, devorah?
This one shall kill you for sport.
Hello and welcome back to another tutorial video about how to paint miniatures. Today's video is one of the amazing and nostalgic characters, Devorah from Mortal Kombat. Stay with me till the end and I will share with you the experience of painting this amazing action figure. And if you know anybody which is interested in this video game or in general painting miniatures, share this video with them. Let me know in the comments if you have any recommendation or question, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. This action figure will be great because it's challenging. The skin of Devorah is like wasp, or let's say like insect, so I will apply the realistic effects on top and let's see how it will come out. First I will start with post-processing and apply the primer. As soon as it will finish, we will start with the main paint. So let's do it. So as the first step for the skin, these parts, the edges, I will use this one, smoke ink. I have already mixed with thinner, and with the lowest pressure of airbrush, I will apply with precision on the corners, only the edge, nothing more. Like what I did for the stomach part, I will do the same. So before everything, reduce the pressure, and like this. Like this. So I have to repeat the same process between all the connection of these parts as well. When this paint is dried, I will use this one, mahogany ink. I drop once on top of my glove, for example, and I take a brush. It's not exactly dry brushing, but something similar. Okay, so we take the piece like this and only the edge to make some definition of color. So the update till now, you see the skin is like this. I applied the same for both legs, and also the rest of parts of the body I did like this. So now I have to apply the yellow wash. Previous video you asked me how I stick these pieces for wash. So easily I use this glue gun, hot glue, one drop of glue, a stick or metal or whatever you want, and also you can 3D print one of these cubes. This cube was supposed to be pen holder, but I didn't need for pen, so I'm using to hold pieces of the action figure while I apply wash or any type of method which I need them to be steady like this, to don't touch anywhere. So one drop of hot glue gun with the stick like this easily. I place them here. Now it's time to do the wash. For wash I use this yellow wash from brand Vallejo. So I cover all the surface with this wash. So here is the update about our figure. Here the wasp skin is totally done. You see all the lines and the deep parts are totally defined. The legs, face and all. So here, as I showed you before, I used exact steps. Now we have a perfect combination of colors for the wasp or any type of insect effect. So if you have any other character to paint which they have the theme of other insects, you can follow the same methods, or with some creativity you can achieve the best results. So before continuing with the figure, I want to apply a paint on the base so it will be dried for the time which we want to mount. First, I have applied the liquid mask on the skulls and the rope because I don't want them to take the color. Here the base will be wooden and the trunk will be the same color, so later I will remove the liquid mask and I will apply the exact colors which I want on the skull and rope. For the general coat on the base I will use wood color from brand Vallejo. I have already mixed with some thinner, and like this simply I apply to all the surface. When the paint is dried, I will apply wash on the surface because with the darker color of brown, for example this one, dark brown from brand Shuttle Art, it will go deep inside and it will give way better color to our piece. So I have already made the wash. Whenever I have to make the wash by my own, I will use water because water won't evaporate that much fast like airbrush thinner. So the color will have sufficient time to go deeply inside the parts. Now I have mixed water with this dark brown and I will apply with the airbrush like this. Don't be scared, give generous amount so the overloaded parts you can collect and clean with a sponge easily. Here off camera the wings I have already painted in black, the structure of the wing, so the inner part is remaining. For inner part I will use sepia shade and with precision take a brush and apply in the middle parts like this. Then easily with another brush or with the same brush you can collect the extra. It will give a super beautiful effect to our figure. For the clothes, I have mixed sea green with dark green, 1 per 3, 1 drop of dark green, 3 drops of sea green, and I mix them with thinner. So with the brush, I apply on the surface like this. You don't need the paint to be too much thick because you see the design has some shape, so to don't feel the deep parts of the shape and to keep the pattern alive, don't apply thick paint in this case. Now for these parts of body, I don't know if I have to call them legs or whatever, I made a thick wash with smoke ink paint and mixed with thinner. So already, which I told you, I have applied this darker color on the edge of the connections, so it will give a way better effect. After applying the wash like this, I recommend you to don't use airbrush because with brush it will have better effect and the result will be amazing like this. The base is totally dried, so now we have to remove the liquid mask and then to use dry brush to apply some shades on the skull and also painting the robe easily. So first, like this,